Grab your binoculars, bird lovers. We're diving into 60 seconds of pure coastal magic at Drum Bay Nature Preserve on Follet Island. Wavebird, where are my 80s friends? You want to play a game? From the coastal flyway to the Gulf Coast, Drum Bay's marshes, flats, and dunes are a birdwatcher's paradise. Let's spot 12 stunning feathered friends. Who can you name today? Where in here can you see the roseate spoonbill? Nature's flamboyant pink bird with a beak perfect for scooping up fish. How many kinds of herons do you see? Did you know that 6 heron species are commonly found on the Texas Gulf Coast, including the great blue heron, tricolored heron, little blue heron, reddish egret, black-crowned night heron, and yellow-crowned night heron? There is such a diversity in the population here on the coast. While you are looking, let's talk about the federally threatened piping plover and the snowy plover. These little ones could use our help. Approximately half of the piping plover's global wintering population uses Texas shores for 2/3 of its annual cycle. With key concentrations on the upper Texas coast, they are continually threatened by habitat loss from development and recreation. That beach raking everyone loves is not good for their nests. What have you seen so far? Comment your guesses, tag a bird-loving friend, and follow for more coastal adventures. Let's keep our Gulf Coast wild and wonderful.